Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the parent chain. The molecule contains a carbonyl group, ketone, flanked by 2 carbon chains, each ending in a terminal alkene, vinyl group. Counting all carbons, CH2 is equal to CH, CH2C is equal to O, CH2, CH2, CH is equal to CH2. That gives C1, C2, C3, C4 is equal to O, C5, C6, C7, C8, an 8 carbon chain. Parent chain name, octane octa. Moving on to the next step. Identify the functional groups and their positions. There are 2 terminal double bonds and 1 ketone. Double bond at C1, C2, terminal alkene on left position 1. Double bond at C7, C8, terminal alkene on right position 7. Ketone at C4, position 4. Moving on to the next step. Apply IUPAC nomenclature rules. The compound is an octadiene with a ketone. Octa is equal to 8 carbons. 1, 7 diene is equal to double bonds at positions 1 and 7. 4, 1 is equal to ketone at position 4. And for the final step, combine to get the full IUPAC name, octa 1,7 diene 4-1. No alternative options are presented. The systematic name is uniquely determined by the structure. Therefore, the correct answer is octa 1,7 diene 4-1. The correct answer is shown on screen.